Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect your Shopify store to your YouTube channel. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to the left-hand panel. From there, click on Apps. Inside the Apps page, use the search bar and type YouTube. From the results, select the app called Google and YouTube. This is the official app used to connect Shopify with YouTube, since both are part of the same ecosystem. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. The process is quick and requires no technical setup. Once the app is installed, you will be prompted to connect your YouTube account. Sign in using your existing YouTube credentials and allow the required permissions so the app can sync properly. These permissions help link your products with your channel content. After completing the login step, the connection is finalized. Your Shopify store is now linked to your YouTube channel. So, that's basically how you can connect your Shopify store to your YouTube channel. That's it for this video. Thanks.